I was very clear that I don't know if I lost it or maybe if someone like anything could happen. I was very clear. I'm not going to explain myself anymore. I was very, very clear.
They are telling me I'm the only one who stays with you.
I don't care what
That's why they are saying that I'm the one.
But people are going to assume, like I said. People are going to assume. Sister Deka Ali, how are you? How are you, sister? But I came on here to clarify that and to straighten that out. Hopefully, it's clear. Fiori Omar. Thank you. Samira, thank you so much. Thank you so much.